Alright, late afternoon has arrived as we continue the first days of February, as it is the Groundhog Day weekend. February 1st, 2025, CN Hayes here along with the ATSF Railfan 15s coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin again. Along the Canadian National's Superior Submarine milepost 353.17 with another video lined up for you. Northbound on the way, after allowing the S779 to finish up for the day. Let's check them out on the roll as we lead back again. GECX 2 lead it. Here we go. Gate drop. Counts 472. That was the brand new 3356. What do you know? And that is my next C6M rebuild of the GECX nee-BNSF variants. That's my 21st one. How about that? So that's going to do it for the B789. 91 of the 31st. 30th. Actually, since it started in Cairo, Illinois, regardless. And we'll do it for the 3275 and the new 3356. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great afternoon. Have a great weekend. See you next time. And I hope I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.